In a dramatic turn of events, the U.S. Department of Justice (DOJ) is considering breaking up Google due to allegations of illegal monopolization of the online search market. According to Bloomberg, the DOJ's scrutiny follows a landmark court ruling and could lead to a major reshaping of the tech industry. Potential breakup. The DOJ is exploring several remedies, including the most extreme measure of splitting Google to smaller companies. This would be a significant antitrust action, reminiscent of the Microsoft breakup attempt from the late 1990s. Alternative measures. Other potential actions include forcing Google to share more data with competitors, restricting its AI advancements, and banning exclusive contracts that cement its market dominance. Focus areas. The investigation centers on Google's practices with Android, Chrome, and AdWords. Exclusive agreements with device manufacturers and Google's search market dominance are under particular scrutiny. Impact. If implemented, the breakup could see Google's core assets like Android, Chrome, or AdWords sold off, drastically affecting the tech landscape and consumer choices. Google plans to appeal the court ruling, but the path forward looks uncertain. This potential breakup highlights the growing pressure on major tech firms and the government's commitment to fostering competitive markets. Stay tuned for more updates as this situation develops.